Pour cooking oil into a frying pan. Place the hamburger patties on a frying pan coated with oil. Please wait until the hamburger patties are cooked. Use a spatula to flip the hamburger patties. Wait until the other side of the patty is cooked. Turn off the induction cooker by pressing the power button. Place the cooked patties on a plate. Place the tomato on a cutting board and cut it. Put the cut tomato in an empty bowl. Using a knife can be dangerous. Carefully. Place the cutting board and cut it. Put the sliced paprika in an empty bowl. Place the bread on the glowing green spot. Put the cheese on the bread. Add the tomato. Add the lettuce. Place the well-cooked patty on top. Add the paprika. Place the top bun. Your delicious hamburger is complete.